जब स्टेप 2 क्या है, हमने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया कि हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स क्या आ रहे थे। अब हमको इनको ठीक करना है। देयर आर 2 वेज टू रिवाइज दिस सेंटेंस फ्रेगमेंट। नंबर 1 क्या है, कंबाइन सेंटेंसेस टू मेक देम कंप्लीट। ठीक है, अगर फ्रेगमेंट है बिकॉज आई वॉज एट माई सॉकर गेम आई डिडंट मेक इट टू द डिनर, तो आप रिवाइज करके क्या कह सकते हो, बिकॉज आई वॉज एट माई सॉकर गेम आई डिडंट मेक इट टू द डिनर। तो आपने बिकॉज आई वॉज एट माई सॉकर गेम उसको कॉमा लगा के एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस बना दिया। Add the necessary elements to the fragment to make it complete. तो कुछ जो elements missing है आप वो लगा दो। fragment क्या है, from the beginning wanted to practice law in a small town. so from the beginning के अगर आपने comma लगा दिया तो ये पूरा sentence बन गया। अच्छा, अब जो हम पहले Dan वाली एग्जाम्पल देख रहे थे, अगर हम उसको ठीक करना चाहें तो क्या होगा, Dan always has busy days at Meadow Creek High School. In the morning he double checks his homework while he is on the bus. तो हमने क्या कर दिया, he double checks his homework while he is on the bus. Upon entering the school, Dan gets his book from his locker. For the rest of the day, Dan keeps busy doing school homework and participating in class discussions. Usually, Dan does not bring his own lunch, but his mom gives him money to buy school lunch. Dan's afternoon progresses in much same way as his morning. When he gets home, he does his homework. Because he is too tired after doing homework, he goes to bed at school. In the morning, double checks his homework while he's on the bus. अब हमने इस सेंटेंस को करेक्ट किया है by adding the subject he after the introductory phrase. Upon entering the school, we corrected this sentence by replacing the period after school with a comma and thereby making it an introductory phrase and combining it with the next sentence. Doing school homework and participating in class discussions, we corrected this fragment by simply combining it with the complete clause that preceded it. When he gets home, हमने इसको ठीक किया by replacing the period after home with a comma and then thereby making it an introductory phrase and combining it with the next sentence. Because he is so tired after doing homework, हमने यहाँ पे sentence को ठीक किया by replacing the period after homework with a comma and thereby making it an introductory phrase and combining it with the next sentence. तो हमने इसको introductory phrase बना दिया। Once you have made your revisions, make sure you reread your writing, identify the subject and verb in each sentence once again to make sure your revisions are corrected.